Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to enable or disable the Startup Boost in the Microsoft Edge web browser. Startup Boost helps Microsoft Edge start up quicker. It keeps the browser running in the background with minimal resources, so Microsoft Edge will start quickly when opened after a device reboot or after you reopen it, and basically start more quickly when it is launched from the taskbar, desktop, or from hyperlinks embedded in other. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay open lang natin ang ating Microsoft Edge web browser, and then dito lang sa top right corner, and then click mo lang yung 3-dot icon. And then next ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung settings. And then dito sa settings, scroll down at select mo lang dito yung System and Performance. Ito siya, okay? So, i-click mo lang dito. And then, makikita mo kaagad dito yung system, and then dito lang yung pinakauna. Ito yung Startup Boost. So, go to browsing quickly when this is on. It helps Microsoft Edge open faster when you start your device. Kung paano ba ito enable or disable, so i-click mo lang itong button nito. So, click mo ganyan, naka-disable siya, or kung gusto mo itong enable, click mo lang itong button nito. Ayan, so ganito lang. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple kung paano natin enable or disable ang Startup Boost in the Microsoft Edge web browser. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.